show you how to see transits on your chart. For example, let's say we have this chart, or I can actually go to my charts, open some random chart, and now I want to see what's going on. So those in the blue color are transits. Now on the bottom here you can check transit for every planet. For example, let's do Mars, no, maybe not Mars, Jupiter. And Jupiter is moving, and we can see when he's moving, how he's moving. And here we have a date, so we can actually take a look, see where he's going to be on 2024. So this is how it works. Now when you want to cancel transits, you just click this button here on the bottom, little cross, and it's all clear. That's it for today. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.